What's going on, y'all? Out here with a quick run of the Team Corrales Kronos. Now, I did break one part on here a couple of days ago. I did break the shock rod in doing some crazy stuff, trying to do triple backflips, and I land on the right side. So I do have a temporary one on here. Of course, it's not the factory one, and I'm not sure how that's gonna hold up, but we're gonna run this anyway. Try to get used to the beast out here. This thing probably would have been fine on 4S. But we're gonna run this on 6S anyway. Controlled 6S, that is. I could probably use for myself and my driving style a little bit stronger servo than what I got up in here. So I'll probably end up putting one of my Power Hobby ones in here, because this servo is more or less made for a race buggy, even though it does okay. Oh shoot. I didn't want to go over that edge. Oh, and I slipped and fell. All right, let me go down here and get this. I slipped down here and was like, oh. All right, we're back. Let me quit clowning around. This is serious RC car stuff, JT. Shows what the truck can do. 6S is just crazy with this truck. You guys saw that this thing will pull 65 plus miles per hour. See, as soon as I hit that throttle. Look at that. But that hit I took the other day, oh my God, that was bad. I thought I broke the A-arm. I thought I did a lot on there, but I actually didn't. So that was a pretty good thing. And so far, the steering blocks have held up, guys, with my horrible driving. All right, so that was one of the major things, was those steering blocks. It's the heavy duty ones on here, so no more, thus far, the pivot ball is still popping out. Trust me, if they were gonna pop, they would have did several videos ago. So imagine this truck with with better driving, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and walk down here, but with some race tires on here, and then of course, since this is a roller, putting a stronger or faster servo in here, this would actually do good. Of course, you wouldn't have no wheelie bar on there. Some days my driving is good, y'all. Some days I could go back to driving school. There we go. And I need to get back up there because I definitely can't see it from here. Yeah, I should have just left this on 4S. And I am running the stock Team Corrali system in here, and you guys know that they got some heck of good electronics. Get that going down there. I had to do this once. See, look at that. It's just so much power. 4S is plenty. And a 4S with a 15 would probably be perfect. All right, we're gonna take this up and over the big jump. I'm not even gonna pause it. We're just gonna walk on down here. And I might have overheated. Let me check. I know. We're good. All right, let me run this here for a second and enjoy it, and then I'm gonna take it over that big jump up there. All right, y'all know how we do it. I'm actually running out of time. I should have left a long time ago. Look at that. Get that corrected. See, I'm telling y'all, the older version, oh, them pill balls would have popped out. But they're not doing it. All right, we'll get this last one in. And I shut off completely in the air. Look at that battery, everything came out. That was a crazy landing. Let's see what happened. All right, y'all, real quick, damage report. Like, there really isn't, well, there is. So one of the adjustable tie rods here broke right there, and that was a pretty crazy landing, but those didn't pop out in the front. That is a plus there. So I gotta try to see if I can find, here we go, my dog bones right there. So that's good. So that actually, the way that landed, I'm not gonna fault the truck for braking on that, because you guys see that's about a 30-something foot jump up to hit down. So I am actually gonna get this replaced and changed. I think it did pretty good out here, especially with those front pillow balls not popping out. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. I'm gonna get that fixed, and we're gonna get this back out and running. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.